guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of mine. I'm super excited to share my perfume collection with you guys. A lot of you guys have been requesting this video on my Instagram, so if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and do so now. Make sure you guys are also subscribed to my channel. I do lots and lots of lifestyle videos, hair tutorials, and makeup, and just lots of stuff, so definitely go ahead and follow me. So like I was saying, I got quite a few requests to share the perfumes that I've been loving and that are in my collection, so today I'm gonna do that with you guys. I'm super excited because I feel like I have a lot of good fragrances. I have a lot of them here, and I have a lot of them that I do want to talk about that are my favorites that I have not gotten as yet. But I'm gonna break it down into like summer scents and spring scents and like fall or winter scents. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit about my scent profile and what I like in my fragrances. I'm a very sweet floral kind of girl, not like a huge rose fan. It really has to be very like specific, the type of roses that I like. I love summertime scents. They're just like right up my alley. I love smelling and walking past and smelling like a garden as opposed to like just roses, you know? Like I like smelling like leaves and plants and things like that. Like that smell makes me happy, but I don't like smelling like one specific flower. Also, on the other end of the spectrum, really like deeper scents. I'm kind of getting into ouds. I also am kind of getting into like tobacco and vanilla scents, but not like entirely as yet. I'm working my way there. I also like very unique, distinct scents. I don't know exactly how to describe it to you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the fragrances that I like, and maybe you can also help me and figure out what kind of scent I like. I'm just on very like two ends of the spectrum, so I don't know. So let's get into it. The first fragrance that I'm gonna start out with is this guy right here. I'm gonna go into the category with all spring summer scents, so lighter scents. The Classic Daisy by Marc Jacobs. So in the Daisy, it has pretty strawberry, green violet leaf, pink grapefruit, gardenia, violet jasmine, and the dry down is white woods, vanilla, and musk. So I'm actually really into woodsy smells. So I think that's what it is. I really like this one because it literally smells like a garden. It smells like spring. It smells like you're walking in the city and you literally pass like all these trees and all these like Bryant Park or something. Bryant Park without the smoky hot dog stands and things like that, you know? So I really love this for that reason. I really like smelling woodsy florals. I think woodsy florals would be like my kind of scent. The other one that I'm actually really obsessed with, and it's probably my favorite fragrance right now, it's the Glossier You fragrance. I don't know what it is about this, but I literally can spray this and just go to sleep. Like it's like my sleep fragrance. Like I'll take a shower, wash my hair, lotion my skin, like the whole nine. We're not skipping steps tonight. And I'll spray this as my last step, and I'll just go lay down, and I'll literally have the best sleep ever. It's so calming, it's so warm, it's so like lightweight, but it really leaves a huge impact. So in here has musk, amberette, and ambrox that transforms a smell a little different on everyone. So it's said that this smells differently on every single person. So it's not going to smell the same as it does on me, on you. But overall, the top notes are earthy green iris root, spicy sparkling pink pepper, and it has like musk and amberette like as the base notes. So again, an earthy floral, but a little bit more plant-like. I don't know, it's just amazing. It smells amazing, you guys. I definitely recommend this one. So this perfume is from Kristin S. As you guys know, if you watched my hair care routine video, I'll put it up here so you guys can see it. I talk about the Kristin S hair products, which I am absolutely obsessed with. She actually came out with a perfume that smells exactly like her hair products do, and it is just the most amazing thing ever. I love using this if I'm going on like a lunch date or something like that. The other two I'll wear just on the regular, but this one I'll wear if I'm going out in the daytime for like a little bit of a special event. I like it. It's a little bit deeper than the other two. It's a little bit more like one level up in sophistication almost. But this one has amberette seed, magnolia, and pear water. Also night violet, orris butter, and New Caledonia sandalwood, and white amber. I think my favorite base note is definitely like amber, amberette, and like a musk. I'm definitely into that. But I do love those like white flower plant like top notes. So this one, it's a must-have. These are also very affordable. The next scent that I really love, but I'm kind of upset about because I think I might be allergic to it, is the Arizona from Proenza Schouler. I really was into this scent a little while ago, but after using it for just a little bit, as you guys can see, I realized that I think my skin is allergic to it. I always get rashes if I put it directly on my skin, so I try not to if I do want to wear it, but I haven't worn this in a little while. So the notes in here are orris, cactus blossom, jasmine, orange flower, solar accord, musk, and cashmerian, which is really nice. I think it just gives, this definitely like Sunday morning. Like, I think that's how I would describe this, as like a Sunday morning when you're getting brunch, like sitting outside in a cafe. I get those vibes when I smell this. It's not too overpowering. The ingredients in here are very grounded flowers. They don't smell too high or too sweet or too anything. They're just very plant-like flowers. So I like that. Again, I'm just really into that. So this one is really nice. So the Chloe Nomad is so nice. For me, it kind of gives me like guava vibes. And I love that. I love that because it reminds me of Guyana. And this is the scent that, I don't know if you guys have any scents that remind you of places or things or people, but this scent reminds me of my vacation in Guyana because this is what I used. So this scent now has like a connection to Guyana for me. If you guys have connections to any scents, please let me know what they are in the comments. So this one inside has Marabelle Plum, Freesia, and Oak Moss. So that's interesting. I don't know, I guess it's like a plum smell that I'm smelling. I don't know, but I feel like it literally smells like guava to me. I don't know if it's the plum and the oak moss mixed together that gives it that, again, plant-like, grounded, almost fruity in a way kind of scent. But this is good stuff, you guys. I love the bottle too. It's so like, so chic. The next scent, like I was saying before, that scents bring you back to a time in your life. This scent brings me back to when I first met John. This is the Kate Spade Live Colorfully perfume. And it literally brings me back to that time when I first met John and we just first started dating. It's just a scent that I wore. It reminds me of Roosevelt Field, Nordstrom, and just meeting John and being with John for the first time. This is the scent that I always used to use, and I can't get enough of this scent by itself because, I don't know, it's just very light. It's very playful. It's youthful, but not in like a little kid way. So this has notes of sparkling mandarin, pink water lily, and star anise. It also has tiare flower, golden gardenia, and coconut water. The base notes capture sheer umber, musk, and vanilla from Tahiti. So again, with the musk and the amber and the vanilla, those are like my favorite base notes, with topped with floral plant-like flowers. Love this. So those are the ones that I have. I also want to mention for like date night or nighttime scents, I love Byredo fragrances. I love Mojave Ghost, which I also think that the one is actually a dupe for. This is a dupe for the Byredo Mojave Ghost for sure. But Mojave Ghost, Bal d'Afrique, Gypsy Water, Rose of No Man's Land, and the Unnamed fragrances are my favorites from the Byredo line. I think my next fragrance is probably going to be a Byredo fragrance just because it is just beautiful. It's a beautiful collection of scents. So those are definitely like my go-tos for either summer and or date night in the summertime. For date night during the winter, or like my winter scents, for winter in general, I just really love the Velvet Orchid from Tom Ford. This is just a deluxe size, but the Velvet Orchid is so nice. It's like a very sexy, musky orchid scent that I think it definitely has patchouli in it. It's a deeper scent that just literally makes you feel so sexy. It's so musky, it's so sexy. So the Tom Ford scents are unisex. This can work on guys as well as girls, obviously. This smells amazing on John because it turns into this really sexy musk on him, and I love that. And for me, it pulls a little bit lighter for a date night, for a night out when you guys want to get cozy and close. I think this is a really beautiful scent. The next scent is a little bit pricey, but it is amazing. I feel like this should be in everybody's perfume collection. But this is the Maison Francis Kurkdjian perfume. This is the Baccarat Rouge 540. This is very, very expensive. I use very little of it, and I only use it on special occasion. But this stuff will literally sit on your skin and linger for days, even after showering. It is pure perfume. It's literally like so good. I have the large size. There is a smaller one. You just need 1 spritz of this and you are good to freaking go. So in here, the top notes are jasmine and saffron. The middle notes are amberwood and ambergris. And the base notes are fir, resin, and cedar. The last scent that I have in person is another really great date night scent, the My Burberry blush. I love this for a date night. I think it is gorgeous. It's deep enough, but the blush is really like a lighter version of the black. The black is my favorite winter scent. Well, my favorite winter scent. It used to be my favorite winter scent. This one is like a great date night summer scent. So the top notes in here are lemon and pomegranate. The middle notes are rose petals and green apple and geranium. And the base notes are jasmine and wisteria. So it's just a light floral. I can definitely envision with that scent just like a nice candlelight dinner, sitting in a restaurant by the window with the windows open. You know how they'll take the windows out, just having a really nice dinner. Those are all of my scents, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a similar scent profile like I do, you guys will appreciate these recommendations. Make sure you guys follow me if you guys have not already on Instagram as well as here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button and I will chat with you all in another video. See ya.